Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPad Air 2025 to an Android device. Begin by opening App Store on iPad and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Now you need to set it up. Let's start with iPad 1. Hit wherever you want to in the pop-up. Then select Allow Full Access in Photo Library 1 and tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Then hit Send at the top left corner. On an Android though, hit I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. Then tap on whatever you want to in this window about new updates, click on your device's display and tap on the Receive option at the bottom. Go back to your iPad to use all of those categories on the left, and thanks to them select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!